two-piece of cake, two-piece of cake. Today we're going to make Piña Colada. Hi, my name is Calla. My name is Ava, and welcome back to Piece of Cake. And today we're going to be making non-alcoholic piña coladas. Here are the ingredients you'll need. First, what you're going to need is 2 cups of ice, 1 cup of pineapple juice, a half cup of cream of coconut, a half teaspoon of rum extract, and whipped cream and cherries to top it. Okay, so now what you're going to do is you're going to add 2 cups of ice to the blender. And now you're going to add 1 cup of pineapple juice. And then a half cup of your cream. And then a teaspoon of your rum extract. Now you're gonna blend it. Now we're gonna pour it into the cups. Now you're gonna add your whipped cream. And a cherry on top. Have both of them, of course. Enjoy!